Quirino Grandstand!
Mga kapatid, may nakahalo sa inyo, alam niyan, kilala natin isa't isa. Binibigyan namin ng 20 minutos para umalis dyan. Paalisin niyo mapayapa. Yung mga polis, umalis kayo dyan. Palinaw yan, nakuna na namin kayo ng video. Ipalalabas namin to sa ere. Kung ayaw niyo magka-problema, umalis kayo.
Attention everyone, especially those deployed PNP personnel. Please, doon lang kayo sa perimeter, outside perimeter, kasi doon kayo dapat magbabantay. Huwag kayong humalo dyan sa loob ng mga kapatid ng Iglesia ni Cristo. This is the Regional Director of NCRPO. All police officers, nandyan sa loob ng grounds ng Luneta, please, lumabas kayo dyan at doon kayo sa perimeter lang. Perimeter security tayo. Hindi dapat kayo dyan kasi hindi kayo kasali sa rally. Please lang. Get outside of that ground. Doon kayo sa perimeter. Para masiguro natin ang kaayusan at kaligtasan ng mga kapatid natin sa Iglesia ni Cristo. In 10 minutes, I want everyone, if ever kung mayroon man dyan na nakahalo na uniform personnel, in 10 minutes, dapat andyan kayo sa outside perimeter security. Thank you.
Hello everyone! So we are back. Nakabalik na po ako dito stage. Everyone, good vibes lang tayo. Sana masaya tayong lahat. Enjoyin natin yung oras natin dito, magkakasama. So, magkahandog ako sa inyo ng isang awitin. Ano po? This song is Iris. Ice Fire Jam! And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. Closest to heaven that I'd ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all that I taste is this moment, and all that I breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. Tears running coming, or the moment of truth in your life, and everything seems like a movie.